Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this. This is a rangefinder. It says that it has flag lock, magnification, and slope compensation. Measures in meters and yards, is fog resistant. Okay, very, very cool. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside here. Okay, so this is by Woo Sports, or Woe Sports, I believe is how you pronounce it. Comes with a carabiner attachment on it, belt loop, Velcro carrying case, packaged nicely. The rangefinder itself, polymer body. This is the H116. Has your mode button on top, your on-off button, adjustable rubberized diopter here, and a spot right here for your battery. I believe it takes a CR123 battery. It does come with a lens cloth and a lanyard. Let's see, this is smaller than a CR123. Let's see what battery this is. It does come with a battery. This is a CR2 battery. See if we can get this. It's got a wrapping on it. Oh my goodness, I just keep throwing it everywhere. There it is, folks. That's gonna go right in here, face up, or positive side up. Now let's take a look through this. So yes, I can see angle compensation, battery life, yardage, and then mode. Okay, it does a great job. Nice reticle in it. Good golfing rangefinder right here. Was sent to me for review.